What's up guys on YouTube? This is Kevin again, back with another video. As you can see, another bright sunny day. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do a 5-lug conversion on your Honda Civic or your Integra. So we're going to come over here. We're going to be talking about the EK today. It's on jack stands. It's under the knife right now. Got to do a lot of things before it's road worthy. So I'll just start with the front. For the front, it's very simple. All you need is the spindle, rotor, and caliper, and the hub from I believe it's 97 to 2001 Honda CRV, which is the first gen CRV. This rotor is like resurfaced, but since I left it out and it kind of rained for a few days, got all rusty and ugly, but you know, it don't matter. And then you have so this is all from a CRV. All you need to do is probably get a new alignment. I'm not quite sure, but I did get a new alignment just because I was installing tie rods anyways. But that's on the front. Very easy. Straight from the CRV. Direct bolt on. For the rear setup, you just have your 94 to 01 Integra trailing arm or 99 to 2000 Civic Si trailing arm. You remove your hub, your 4-lug hub, and all it is take off the cap that's in the middle. Then you just undo your 32mm nut, and then there's this washer that you won't be using. You put on your 97 to 01 hub that comes with the bearing. Just slide that bad boy on. You take your Mazda 626 axle nut with the part number right here, and you tighten this. I forgot what the torque was. I think it's like 100 something foot-pounds. Torque that down. Then your rotors, calipers, and then you're done. Your rotor and caliper is from a 2002 to 2006 RSX or Acura RSX, or a 2004 to 2005 Civic Si EP3. So Civic or RSX rear calipers. For the next part, you are going to have to switch your right and your lefts for the calipers. It's kind of hard to explain, but basically your passenger side caliper is going to go on the driver's side is going to go on the passenger side, and then you're going to have to switch out the e-brake bracket or e-brake little. I'll just show you the next part of the video. So you're going to want to take your calipers, switch out your e-brake brackets from the RSX or EP3s, and you want the Integra or EM1 brackets. And then here I'm going to explain why you have to flip-flop them. So for example, this one says left, so this one went on. I'll give you this one. So this one says right. This one's supposed to be from the original trailing arm, but for the RSX, which is these ones, RSX or EP3, you need to have the left on the right, and have them upside down like this. That way the e-brake bracket's on the top. So as you can see, left side, I'm on the right side of the vehicle, but you want left caliper upside down, mounted like this, if that makes sense. And for the brackets, have it set up like this so it's less confusing. You need to take this and put it on this one. As you can see, left, right, and this is the one you're putting on, the RSX / EP3. This is the 4-lug one. You want this one with the holes onto here. Here I have the finished product. You have to use the opposite side caliper, and then I switched over the e-brake bracket and the this e-brake bracket as well in the spring. Everything else, just put it back how you had it. The thing is, since the bleeder's on the bottom, you do have to bleed the brakes while this is removed and upside down. That's kind of weird, but that's just how it is. And yeah. What? I think we're good. Got the 5 lug. Got the boy Jesse. Pumping away, slaving away. EM1 cluster, yes sir.
Can't even buy me lunch, bro. It's fucked.
Shut your
like a
up.
slave.
Shut up. Got the Z looking clean. The G35. My boy in the EK. Ooh, the brake light's coming on.
That's stupid.
Shut up. Okay. Appreciate your work.
Si, si.
I'll pay you next week.
Si, senor.
What'd you say?
I am the Taiwanese. Shit.
Dude, we're being racist right now. Hurting my feelings.
Whatever, snowflake.
You call me a snowflake.
He said. Real quick.
Alright, pump away. Yes, sir. Got that clean fluid. Yes, sir.
Is it clean though? Is it?
Yes, it's 100% clean brake fluid that I'm not just recycling from the old one into here. Do a pull. Just kidding, no.